Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is a presentation video for the research proposal of our group assignment. In this video, my group members and I will explain on how we make finding in the research proposal. Before that, I will introduce my group members. My name is Maranirah Binti Mohamad, matrix number S54459, and my other friend is Hakimah and Tuan Aisyah. Our research proposal for assignment of Maritime Research Methodology titled Revolution of Technology in Malaysia Port. First, in our research proposal is abstract. The purpose of this research is to see the extent of the revolution in application technology that is taking place in the Malaysia port. However, there is a statement that the problem has been identified that the development of the technology in Malaysian port is not as fast as other development countries. So, we are using the data from the external secondary data research such as article and journal. So, through the findings of the study will result in an understanding of the revolution in the application of technology in developing country. Next, I will continue with the introduction. The rapid use of technology in our country has resulted in the revolution of technology, which has had an impact and as well as challenges to the maritime industry, especially to the Malaysia port that we have focused in the research. The revolution in the technology has indeed helped an organization a lot, especially in improving production output and production efficiency. This, to some extent and indirectly, has contributed to the improvement in the economy of a country. Therefore, the use of technology has become of importance as it enables terminals and ports to gradually improve operational efficiency, strategic plans, and involve their profits. So, this study will show the technological revolution and its impacts on Port Malaysia as well as the challenges faced, and this paper investigate the differences of the application revolution technology in Malaysia as a developing country between its application with other developing country ports.
Problem statement for this research is provision of port service activity including cargo handling, shipping supplies, maintenance, repairs, as well as can support transport activity in port. So, however, technology development is not as advanced as the country out there. For example, the Strait of Malacca waterway is highly development, but it requires considerable investment in improving terminal and port infrastructure. Okay, for the research objective is first identify revolution of technology and impact in Malaysia port. Second is describe challenges revolution of technology in Malaysia port. Okay, the last is describe differences in application revolution technology in Malaysia as a developing country between its application in the port of development country. So, research significance is based on the research objective 1 is to describe revolution of technology and impact in Malaysia port specific in blockchain, drones, autonomous vessels, smart activity application. Okay, based on the research objective 2 is the researchers will come out with the highest expensive budget of for the drones, autonomous vessels, smart activity application. Okay, based on the research objective 2 is the researchers will come out with the highest expensive budget of for the technology, routine jobs with higher volume of tasks, and low work experience as well as education and training skill. The last is based on the research objective 3 is the researchers choose China to see the difference that happen to port in China due to the technological revolution.
Literature review. A study has been conducted in year 2020 where the article aims to offer a review of the research literature on smart pods, including Internet of Things platform and so on. In the article, the researchers state that there are 5 main smart pods applications. Those are smart vessel management, smart container management, smart pod management, smart energy management, and smart resource management. In order to deploy smart application, it has been recommended to employ IoT platforms to create a linked and collaborative platform that facilitates information sharing among heterogeneous equipment and infrastructures. According to a study conducted by McKinsey & Company, automation has established itself as a trend. Findings of the survey, 80% of respondents anticipate that at least 50% of new projects will become partially or fully automated in the next 5 years. Next, a study also has been conducted in India in 2021, where the study served as a starting point for further research and studies on the applications of the 5G technology in the maritime industry. Various technological improvements, such as the mechanization of ships, GPS navigations, automation, the use of modern materials, and protective marine coatings have been created through the years to become a part of the industry in order to reduce the impact of human errors on the business. Today, innovative technologies such as 5G assist the sector to shift from wired to fully wireless connection, creating a considerably safer operator working environment through more automation. It is now feasible to connect equipment within a ship without having a sift through a jungle of electrical wires. Furthermore, the blockchain and distributed ledger technology is one of the most adapted technology enablers to address most of the current limitations and facilitates the functional standards of 6G. For example, the ship owners can send digital, autonomous and secure papers, documents and information to port authorities, security departments, customs, terminal operators and all other parties involved in port operation. So, at the port, artificial intelligence-based tools such as auto document verification tools can speed up the processing of the submission that will be easy to analyze the documents. In order to achieve the aim of this study, we are using external secondary data research. Secondary research consists of data that someone else has previously collected. This kind of data is called past data and is often available online and offline through prior researchers, government achieved, and numerous sites. Secondary information is data that we obtain by other researchers who probably had different study goals. To optimize its usefulness, researchers or research groups sometimes share information with their other researchers. In this study, we are mostly using the secondary quantitative data that we obtain from the past study or past research by other researchers such as articles and the journals. We collected these data via online search and some of it is available offline. To conduct useful secondary analysis, we have to spend significant time reading and learning about the provenance of the data set.